just saying that we can look at it together. So we have options, okay?
Well, I don't see any options. I don't see any damn options at all.
So, you need to pray, okay? Let's pray.
What are you gonna pray for, Kurt? You gonna pray God's will be done? That's what you did the last time. This was the answer. So what the hell is praying?
This is a nice house. Okay, what about adoption?
Somebody else is good.
Okay, or we can just do nothing. Just
You love that, huh?
okay, then what is your plan, son? Because I ran out of ideas. Oh, you know, I know maybe we can go to the supermarket and see if we can purchase two more little white girls.
They got burned out of their home tonight.
Does that have to do with our relationship and our marriage?
They didn't have any girls to go. So I brought them here for the night. In the morning, I'll take them to see their mother in the hospital during business.
So she can't watch him tonight, but she can watch him in the morning. That makes sense.
Out, Greg. The last thing we all need is this from
Hinata. You can't, you can't, on camera.